Hey guys, welcome to the video. We have a lot of things in store for you this time. I am feeling much better. Beat the cold, all good. My voice is back to normal. This week, we're working on the bus a little bit more. Greg has destroyed the toilet, that sounds bad, by taking out the whole washroom at the back. And it's one of the last things we'll be doing on the bus before it's back on the property because we are finally getting the driveway redone, which means the steep part at the bottom won't be an issue anymore. The bus will finally be able to get up, hopefully, and it will have a lovely Busport to park in. So once it's all cured out there, we'll do a video of bringing the bus back and cleaning her up and just getting her ready for the exterior reno. So that video will be up in 2 weeks, but between now and then, we actually have another surprise for you guys. My friend is actually putting together a massive haunted house in her garage. She's been working on it with her parents and her friends for the last month. It happens every year. They even made the front page of the newspaper. So we're gonna be checking that out. I'll be getting all Halloweened up and we'll actually be in the maze scaring the kids and stuff. Last year they had like over 700 people there, so it should be a really big event. So that'll come out next week and I can't wait to show you guys. Anyways, enjoy the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and we'll see you in 2 weeks. Today is demo day. We're taking out the back washroom or toilet area to take a break from angle grinding the vents for a while. The back washroom is really securely framed up and then surrounded by sheets of aluminum. There's some MDF or wood that's been on the interior as kind of like a finish. But the angle grinder, the reciprocating saw, and then the electric shears are doing their job. We've just been kind of hammering out the interior finish of it. The toilet that's actually in there is one of the old toilets used on the bus, but we've been kind of hesitant to take it out because we're not sure how to get it out and what's left in it. The last thing we want is its insides going everywhere. So we did a whole bunch of research, called around, and eventually found the instruction manual. Always good to have. And it looks like there's actually just a button underneath the toilet that will let us pull it out safely. The goal is to not have anything that's in it go anywhere, but that will be one of the next videos coming up. Today we don't really touch it. We just kind of destroy everything else around it. Anyway, see you around. We are getting the kit today. So we've been waiting to get the bus on the property for ages. But before then, we're gonna have the pavement all redone and have a full bus shelter built. So today we're getting the kit for that bus shelter, which is the first step in getting that all done. They're here, they're here. The kit finally arrived. The guys showed up, dropped everything off, unloaded it, and stacked it all here on the lawn. So the kit here contains everything you're gonna need to build the bus shelter itself, but unfortunately, before they can do that, they still have to do all the paving. So it'll end up being this driveway that way, and then the bus can turn around and go up there. That way, it'll be really convenient for getting the bus on and off the property. Until then, we're gonna keep working on it where it is. We've almost fully gutted out the interior and we can't really do any of the exterior stuff until it's back here. But hopefully that won't be too long and we're super excited to have this kit. We'll keep you posted and yeah, bye. driving the Busport for the first time. It's massive, it's awesome, and I just had to test it out. The bus isn't here right now and I still can't actually drive it, so I did the next best thing. This is my car. Close enough, right?